battery out with my bare hands instead. The battery is a bit smaller than last year's iPhone 11 Pro, sitting at just 2,815 mAh. We also get our first look at the top side of the wireless charging coil. Spoiler alert, the other side looks way cooler. But first we'll pull out the loudspeaker. It's a gigantic mess down here, with 10 more different sized and shaped screws and standoffs. But we finally do get to lift out the loudspeaker, with its water-resistant mesh inside of the opening, as well as a new massive orange gasket to help seal up that hole. The SIM card tray is modular, kind of fun. The Taptic engine is also a bit smaller this year, but interesting fact, Apple plopped a Lego-style connector right in the middle of the ribbon. Whoever said Apple doesn't innovate has obviously never seen this. Plus, there's this thing down here that looks super important and I don't even know what it does. If the iPhone looks like a chaotic nightmare inside, it's because it is. The wireless charger is physically tied into the phone's side buttons, so I'll unscrew this metal bracket on the side and pull the mute switch through the frame. Then finally, after everything, we get our first look under the wireless charging pad and glimpse this glorious array of circular magnets around the outside. It's rather brilliant of Apple to use magnets to perfectly position the two coils on top of each other. Instead of using one large circle magnet, it's actually made up of 18 smaller, more rectangular magnets. Apple has said that every single magnet used in the iPhone 12 is recycled, which is awesome. Getting rid of the charging brick, headphones, and making the box smaller is also supposed to help out the environment. Fun fact though, creating a brand new smartphone consumes almost as much energy as using